Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about Control plus the R key, which stands for repeat the last function you did. We're going to take an ellipse. We're going to hit P, doesn't really matter. We're going to double click on it and move the rotation to anywhere. And then we're going to open up Tools, Dockers, Transform, Rotation, 10 degrees, 35 times, and we get that. Now, this is what's pretty cool about this, that we take the Smart Fill tool and just start filling in this with black. This isn't perfect when I'm going to do it with the interactive fill tool, but you kind of get an idea of what it's going to do. And if we'll take that last, it's not the last one, but it's good enough. We'll make that last one yellow, and then we are going to, let's zoom in here. We're going to take the interactive fill tool, and we should probably go, maybe that direction, and then let's turn this one red. Okay, what was the last thing we did? So now if we take all these and Control R, I must have missed those top two. When you select it, you need to make sure you get them all. And look at that. Now, it's, it did pretty good for a Smart Fill tool. A lot of times you want to go different directions, but that's pretty cool. And what you could do with this, and because I didn't start in the center of the page like I always do, I'm going to Control G, I'm going to hit P. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines and hit P, and now I'm going to take away all my lines, which I'm going to right click. No outline. We just have that. Let's see what this thing looks like rotated. We're going to probably have to group this together. So we still got it in a group. Like I just did a video, the lines are still there. If we look at it in wireframe, we've just made them where they wouldn't print. Let's go ahead and go Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then that way we can select just these. Control G to group them. Let's move the center rotation of that. And since we've already got the Docker open, we'll just use the same Docker. I'm a little bit off from center, so I always go off and come back. This centering is a lot harder than you think. 10 degrees, 135 times. Look at that, and that quick. Pretty neat. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.